Here's how to see deleted messages in Messenger. Now let's open up Messenger, tap on the three lines at the top left, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Scroll down to the very bottom and hit See More in Account Center. From here, we're going to scroll down and tap on Your Information and Permissions, and then download your information. From here, we're going to hit Download or Transfer Information. Just to choose Facebook, hit Next here, just specific information. And then once this loads up, we just need messages. Let's hit Next, and you can choose to download to your phone, iPhone or Android, and we'll notify via email, date range. You can choose all time if you want. Hit Save here and create files. Now, it usually takes within a few hours, you'll be able to download those files. Here you can see I have that downloaded file. When it's ready, just hop back in here and hit Download. You're going to re-enter the password for your Facebook account. And once that's done, it will pop up with the ability to download. So hit Download here and I'll show you where to find it. Let's hop out of here and go to the app library and search for the Files app and open that up. Let's tap on my iPhone, then Downloads, and then unzip this zip file. Tap on the folder here, and you can see Files. I can tap on that, and it will just have a couple things, and then Your Facebook Activity, Messages, and here you'll be able to see all of your old messages. You can go through here, go to your inbox, go to various items, see any deleted messages that are all stored in this backup. Hope this helps.